let's take a quick look at all the features provided by Supabase. Alright, so I'm here on my dashboard, and what I can see here on the left nav that I got access to all the services that Supabase provides. So we got first a table editor where we can get access directly to our Postgres instance and all the tables. We got also an SQL editor that helps us to query our Postgres instance also. Here we got access to the database and several other services, the functions, the triggers, the roles, etc., etc. The authentication system, where we are going to retrieve all the users that are going to get access to our app or just sign up. We got the storage with the buckets for the images. We got here the edge functions if we want to use functions directly. And we got also the real time. The real time, remember that here when there is a subscription, basically the backend, actually the API of Supabase is going to call back your frontend and update the data or your backend. Okay? Then here on Advisor, we got a specific module that helps us to deal with errors, warning, and infos. We got a report sections. Okay, we're going to come back to that later. Don't worry with that. We got the logs, the API docs, which is very useful because it will be auto-generated depending on our schema and tables. We got the integration part where we can integrate if we are doing some no-code, Airtable, Calendly, whatever. Okay. Then we got the project settings. So here it's all about the specification of your project, about the API, the configuration of the data API, database, etc., etc. Okay. On the top here, what do we got? We got access to the different organization if we want to switch to another organization. And here we got the projects inside the organization. We got these new features that it wasn't there when I did the course in 2022. The branching, we're going to see how it works. And we got also the connect. We're going to jump on that just after. And the brand new feature of Supabase here, it's the AI assistant that helps us to just deal with our own instance of Supabase just here. So we can just ask the AI to, for example, to generate a new table, colors, to talk about user management state and stuff like this. Okay, so you can query this AI if you got any issue. It will be here just to assist you. Okay, so we can see that Supabase is really complete. There's a lot of features. Don't worry. In this whole course, we are going to see everything we can. Okay, it's a really complete product. Supabase is really advanced. It has a very strong open source community. They're doing an amazing job. To me, it's the best community on the tech scene right now that I know. So don't worry, we are going to see all of that. You don't need to use all the features that are here to run your own backend as a service here directly in Supabase, of course. But you will see that it's a complete solution that provides most of the services you need.